So, we just got a package from Amazon for Halloween. What will the doggies be? What could they be? What do you think? Dun, 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 dun. What are you doing, Gabby?
Birthday, Christmas.
Alright, here we go. Gabby, you're supposed to be looking at the package. Oh, it's a secret, Gabby. We're not going to show you. And what's the other one? Alright, stay tuned so you can see what it is. What they look like on. Alright, Jen, let's try to get your outfit on. This is what the outfit looks like to start. Let's get it on. You're going to be a little Ewok.
What do you think, Gabby?
This is a size large. Man, that's not so large for a large because she's not so big. You're being so good for a puppy.
Gabby.
Jen's 7 months old now. She's a mini Bernedoodle. Oh, you're so good. What do you think? I know, you look so excited. What's that? What is on you? Wait, it gets better.
Hi, Ewok. Gabby.
What are you laughing at her, Gabby? Don't you laugh at her, because wait till you see yours.
Hi, Ewok. Ewok. What do you think she is?
Oh, now Jen's laughing at you. Come on, you gotta keep your ears on. Princess. Alright, this is Princess Leia. Or not. Come here. Oh gosh, how do you put this on? Alright, you're gonna have to pause it till I figure it out.
What is Ewok doing?
Stop. Go ahead. Gabby, come get the Princess Gabby. Come here. You don't want to be a princess? Would you rather be an Ewok? Come here. Oh, Gabby, you know you love us. Oh, I think this is an extra large. Gabby is a golden doodle. She weighs about 50 pounds. And, you know, Jen's trying to dig her little Ewok house. Jen doesn't seem to mind it. Gabby doesn't feel like being a princess. I think this is how it goes on. But, you know, something just isn't right. Alright. Dun, 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 dun. Princess Gabby. Smile for the camera.
You have a
Come here, Gabby. Sit. Sit. I have to say I'm more impressed with the Ewok outfit when it's done right. Oh boy. Alright, cut.